See this guy they come on. Now wait till be this one now. Oh, okay. Man do like say they put poison for this thing.
How far now?
Yeah. My uncle put poison.
Your uncle no be poison you alone now. We know say two of us they work out together. No.
Again, leave
Now for two of us, leave am. No, uncle, leave am. The poison na for two of us. Uncle, your uncle no be poison you alone. Leave me. Wetin I dey live for? Leave am. Uncle, leave am. Your die na my die. Leave am.
Now your poison. Now your poison. Come leave this thing for me. Every time they want to share bread with me. No way. I no big you.
Okay, thank you very much for watching that funny live nation entertainment comedy video. You can view us on
Monday and also on
Friday.
Please, we are begging you.
Please,
we are begging you. If you want us to kneel down,
I can even like that. Please
understand. Okay, if you want me to kneel,
let me cry for you, please.
Subscribe.
We need your subscription.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just subscribe. Look us for an event and see you on Monday and also on Friday. Please, once again, subscribe.
Bam. Thank you. God bless you.
And
see
you next. God bless.